Oh. I think I'm live, boys. I think I'm fucking live. I'm fucking live on the internet. I wish I was fucking. The only thing I'm fucking is myself. In more ways than one. Anyway. I thought before I started streaming, I thought going live would have like more impact on me. Like it would, because when you perform for like an actual audience, you get this like, at least I get this I get very nervous basically. I kind of expected something similar to happen on live streaming, but it's not really the case. I do, whenever I see like new viewers joining, then I do get this little oomph of nervousness. But then like 10 seconds later I kind of forget. Or I get distracted by something dumb and then matter anymore. Like the worst that can happen is that somebody will call me what did this person call me? Somebody called me a goof. And somebody called me a goof. Like that's the worst that can happen for real. Let me put on some music. Can't stop the music. Let's do the Super Mario World and theme. Let's just start with that. I know better. Let's just do the entire Super Mario World soundtrack. The entire soundtrack is amazing. I can hear you think like, why should I care? I cannot even hear this, and then I'm like, yeah, you're right. Why should you care?
Met groene stroom en gas van Coolblue Energie krijg je altijd korting op energiebesparende producten.
If you've not listened to the Super Mario World
met €125 Coolblue energiekorting.
OST,
daarmee bespaar je ook nog eens zo'n €100 per jaar op je energierekening. Dus stap nu over op Coolblue Energie.
I think it's the best Mario soundtrack, like of all time. A friend of mine, he disagreed. He said like Super Mario Galaxy is better. But we have a difference in opinion. He likes the more bombastic, like orchestra music, which basically all the later Mario games, they all have like this orchestral music and shit, which I also think is quite epic sometimes. But to me, nothing beats these like super simple 8-bit just bangers. It's almost because they don't have any fancy stuff to work with in 8-bit. All the effort goes into the melody. So all the 8-bit tracks that exist, they have a banger as melody. I guess that's just what I like. I need more volume. Blip blop blop. Blip 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 blop. Oh shit, you can hear this. Oops. Whoops. I It's fine. Nintendo isn't known for suing everyone and everything, right? Sure, I'm fine. Oh, the soundtrack is so good. Alright. I think I'll start just fixing some stuff I noticed yesterday and I was too lazy to fix. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Zwamp. Zwamp. Okay, I need to move the boss. Ghoul boss. Needs to move it up. Fuck. I don't know why these are even like prefab variants, to be honest. Because the boss has an issue where his gun will just fire a million times and not drop any bloop. The dropping bloop parts is kind of important. I think first of all I'll just quickly play the game again. And see like, do I get any errors that can point me in the right direction? This song, holy shit. Super Mario. Just wish some of these tracks were longer. A lot of these tracks are like 30 seconds. They're bangers, but 30 seconds, so they kind of not a song. A lot of them are longer. Oh, advertisement. Why do advertisements always feel the need to be loud and obnoxious? This seems to be their entire goal. Just be as loud and obnoxious as possible. So you maybe remembered like the product or brand just because you hate it so much. Fucking. I don't have any problem with advertisement. Like, I get to listen to this soundtrack for free, sure. Get some ads on it, sure. Nothing is free in this world, right? But why make it so painful? Like, advertise me some cool new game that's coming out. Don't advertise me some. I think it was doing some package of nuts in the most obnoxious way possible. Fuck off. Fuck off, mate. Swamp. Blip 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 blop blip 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 blop. Boss fight. Boss fight. Boss. Yeah, look. This barf attack. He's shooting a million. He's supposed to shoot like one trail of them and then another trail. They just shot, I think, every frame. Yeah, definitely getting errors. which is a good thing because oh, error mean I know where I look. I know where I look needs. So we get an error in the find new homing targets. Is it trying to do homing? I hope it's not trying to do homing. It should not be trying to do any homing. I'm a very fidgety guy, I have to admit. This is also why I have my beard, so I can fidget with it. It's the only reason. Only reason I have it. So I can do this. No, I don't fidget with it as much, really. But if I'm like really in deep thought, I might just, without even thinking, like, start twirling my beard. I should do a cosplay soon. Not soon, but someday. What's a good cosplay with a beard? Goatee. Cartoon character. So I can cosplay as this guy. That's about it. You can also just fucking stock images. I think all these characters are fucking evil. And they're not that many. Because, well, this is the classic devil design, right? With the goatee. It'll also be this guy. I can split my beard like this. In fact, it kind of does it on its own. Don't know why. Yo, it's me. Yo, it's me. Just... It's me. I never use my glasses. I never go outside. There are no real characters with like a beard like this. Except the fucking devil. Character. Famous goatee characters. And most goatees just go like... I call this the American goatee, I guess. It's like... A lot of Americans seem to like this style. Don't ever see this style of beard in where I live. That. Whoa, could do this. Yes. Full white, just and get a little fucking mouse. Give it a sweater. Oh, I could also do this. Holy shit, yes. Just like fucking. Just pirates, bro. I haven't thought about pirates yet. Would easily go for this style. Does it work? Is it working? It's kind of working. Look at myself now. It's sort of. Just need like a he has like a bunch of shit in it as well. Need some kralen. I don't know what it is. He has like this. It's hard to see against my thingy and the lighting situation. Yo, this is my end goal. This is I'll never reach this though. Because nothing grows on my cheeks. It's just barren. This would also be epic. Straight up fucking wizard. And that's my goal. I want to be that wizard that makes games. The game making wizard. I have to wonder, would that be a better name for my channel? The game making wizard. I think that's about it. Like, I can be a Jack Sparrow, and that's where it ends. And this guy, I guess. God, I wish I were this whole peak meal performance. What the fuck is his beard? I'm just now realizing. He has like the American goatee, and then he also has like this tiny fucking thing. That's crazy. How did I never notice that? It's also a different color, which is interesting. Very interesting. Crazy how that shit just grows. This? Look how sad this guy looks. She looks so weird. Holy shit, do I look like this from the side? I think I look like this. Looks almost fake. Probably is fake. Wait, how did I get there? To go back. I want to go back. I wanted to say something else. Oh, yeah, that first beard that you saw, like the little piece of pubic hair. That's how my beard looked all through fucking high school. This is the end goal. This is the actual end goal. I want to be able to play jump rope with my fucking beard. Anyway. When I had this pubic hair beard, everyone was always telling me, like, you have to shave it. And I was like, nah. Trust me. In the end, I will look like this. The guy on the right. I like my beard now. Most of... I'll let you in on a little secret. Why does it send it? Oh wait, I'm stupid. So glad it's on analytics, not on stream settings, because then you can get my stream key. Which I could then just change, of course, but still. A little secret I was going to say. The reason I have my beard because I'm too fucking lazy to shave. The only reason. And I don't mind it. I guess if I really hated it, I would have shaved. Like, I'm not that degenerate that I don't like something about myself and then just don't make the tiniest effort to change it. Anyway, back to development. It was a good tangent though. It was I've learned now I can be Jack Sparrow if I want to. Also because my face shape is not too different. Also not exactly the same, but like, it's pretty close. Yo, yo. Listen, hear me out. There's a Steam Next Fest. I don't know if you know about Steam Next, but it's where game developers will stream their own game on Steam. So, what if I do that? Would I look like Jack fucking Sparrow? It's fucking perfection. The game is about fucking ships and shit. It's like instant. This guy is playing like Jack Sparrow and he's playing like a ship game. Instant click, bro. I will do that. Let me put it down somewhere so I never forget. This is too good of an idea. Stream gameplay while cosplaying as Jack Sparrow. You know, I might actually host a party with some friends as well. And drink a bunch of fucking rum. And then I don't know what like the guidelines are for streaming on Twitch. Streaming on Steam. Because I would love to just be completely fucking wasted. Cosplaying as Jack Sparrow. That sounds amazing. Like, that just sounds like fun. That doesn't even sound like work anymore. I am doing that for sure. You can, I promise you. And now I will take a shit. Sleep. That's been one of the most flawless banana flips of my life. Because it was a ballsy one. I just put some spin on that bitch. Yo, this music. Yo, this music. Super Mario World, the castle soundtrack. Ooh. Ooh. So fucking good. I swear it's one of the it's the best castle soundtrack. I will already say it. I feel like most modern castle soundtracks, they just sound so... You just know how it's going to sound before you even enter the castle, right? They're all just so similar and predictable. This castle soundtrack, it feels very unique. But let's look at some error. Why the fuck did I clear them? Am I a fucking retard? Okay, they are now back, yes. Wait, there was a problem in homing. Yeah, I'm not sure if the problem is in homing or if the problem shows up in homing. Let me look at some bullets as well. What could be the... I see the problem. Homing check the... Oh wait, no, this is not the problem. Wow, wow, wow. I'm really confused why... The most confusing thing is why it fires so much. Like, I can understand the dropping of goo breaking. Because it should drop like pools of little blurb. Like this green shit. Everything is green on the screen right now, I know, but you know what I mean. I can see how that breaks, but I cannot see how it suddenly starts firing it. Like, same rate that I fire my cannon. Anyway. I don't fucking get it. Well, I'm not really trying to get it, so let's start trying to get it. Okay, let's just object reference not set to an instance. Okay, so we have a null ref, which is probably causing like this shit not to be blurbed out. It is not telling me anything yet. Now it's telling me something. Owner.weaponslot.master. So it has to be either weapon slot or owner, that's null. So let's see. Now we can look in the actual inspector on the right. Look at owner. Owner is something, so that cannot be it. Because it's owner.weapon slot, we now have to look in the owner. So we click owner. highlights this weapon, which is indeed the owner. Let's go into the scene so we can actually see shit. Well, it disappeared kind of, but it's still there. This is all normal. This is probably not aware of the weapon slot, because there is no weapon slot. Oops. I think there's no weapon slot, like, straight up. Which was never intended to work, so I'm not sure why this was working in the past. I guess just luck. Sometimes you make a big mistake, but due to you being lucky somehow, it still works. And then, like, a year down the road, it will suddenly break. Game development. Programming in general. It's amazing. It's amazing. And they can make the game with me. Why is Twitch not... Oh, I am live on Twitch, okay. What was I doing? Oh yeah, this weapon needs a weapon slot and it doesn't have a weapon slot, okay. I'm honestly not sure how I ever made it like this. And I think this bar spot, I think this object is rotated. Yes, there's a rotation. So this object is basically just used to aim the weapon at the player. Which means I cannot really just leave it like it is and then just add a weapon slot. Let's do that and see if it also fixes the fire rate issue. Which is very likely. Because I don't know how this even was functioning in the first place. I should have straight up crashed. I feel like, but computer smart, I guess. Hello, Guleman. This guy has been very cool to work on. I did a lot of new stuff when making this guy. For example, I have this mask, which is only the outer part of his face. And I can then adjust how much I want to show. And the reason I can do that is because the edges, they fade out slowly. So you can see it's kind of fading out. Which happens everywhere. And what I'm basically just saying is the amount of shit that you are allowed to show has to be transparency 0 or higher, basically. But if I put it on a half, now it only shows the parts where the transparency is 50% or higher. And it's just kind of cool that you can then slide it. Like, this is how I make the effect of it sinking into the water and coming back up. Basically, this will be sinking. This will be rising. And then I can do the same for the center of the face. Because I wanted to animate them differently. Like, it's the first time I did this, and I kind of discovered it on accident, to be honest. Because I'm pretty sure I was just kind of... I didn't know how to exactly do it. Because I knew I wanted to make the effect of it sinking into the water, and then... I think I just started fucking playing with this slider because I was just fidgety. I'm a fidgety guy. I'm a fidgety guy, so I was like, I'm just fidgeting with the slider, and it just started happening, and I was like, oh my god, this looks good, what the hell? Kind of funny. Kind of funny how a lot of good shit I make is kind of accidental. Yes. A bottom spot. Okay, so we get a weapon slot first of all. Make sure that this weapon is entirely applied, so. Weapon slot, weapon slot, give me a weapon slot, yay. We don't put the weapon on the weapon slot actually. We just delete the weapon. Wait, let me just make sure before I delete it that it is somewhere. Okay, I still have it here. Let me just check also if the values are the same. You never know. Velocity 50-50, deviation 10, high rate 1. Yeah, basically the same. Alright. I'll delete this. Get this weapon slot. Make sure it's position 0. Okay. Now we can see it. Actually, I forgot one thing. Need to look at the orientation of the weapon. The weapon slot needs to have the same orientation, which is minus 90 degrees. Oh yeah. Let's do this all again. Blop. Oh, minus 90. And then we reference this as a starter weapon. That's it, I think. Let's go in game. Ping. Oh. Hope it will just work. Because if shit like this suddenly doesn't work, it's always so painful. Because equipping weapons on a weapon slot is something I do everywhere in my game. Like, enemies do it non-stop. The player does it non-stop. If something like that breaks, I just always feel so hopeless. Like, always feels like things just break out of themselves on their own. Swamp. English. Why English so hard? By the way, Super Mario World, it has the most fucking brutal dead sound I've ever heard in a game. I remember as a child when I heard the dead sound in Super Mario World. Like, that sound would actually just fucking trigger me. The sound is almost laughing at you. Fucking... I hate it and I love it at the same time. This does not look great. It is firing normally now. And it is blopping. Look at the blobs. Bunch of blobs. I should update this particle system. It's kind of whack ass, ugly. Ugly is ugly. But I think yeah, this attack method, it wants a weapon reference. But it now only has a weapon slot. So yeah, it had a weapon reference directly, which it shouldn't have. Pretty sure this init is also now just called by the weapon slot itself. So if you just go carve weapon slots. Bloop. I think this can be straight up commented out. A little bit. Oh no, I'm not confused. Oh yeah. Okay, so I just made it like this. Why the hell would I just... I guess the weapon slot technology in the beginning was really pretty much just for, like, if you want to equip new weapons, like, during runtime. That's the entire reason I made a weapon slot, is so you can equip and unequip weapons without any issues. But it wasn't really needed, but then I changed some stuff, and now the weapon slot carries all the references that a weapon needs. Not all, but a lot. Oh boy, it's time for the ending credits. It is the time. After this loading method. Just need to make a similar thing for when I go back to main menu. I'll probably just add the little steering wheel to the car. Oh shit, it's working. Except it's not. Like, not at all. Fuck. Okay, I don't care about player controller bullshit. Weapons flaws. Quick matter. Don't think this matters. Ability ones I really don't care about. I think all of this is from before and then this is the actual problem. Let me move this to where it gets called, because I hate it when you have methods that are basically just the same method but split up in parts so it's more easy to read. Then you put them everywhere randomly. Fucking annoying. I keep doing it though. Zoek attack. Although I straight up spelled suck wrong and I spelled attack wrong. I think it's a joke. Like, this is my biggest problem, is I keep making jokes in the fucking names of stuff. Like, my naming convention is, if it's funny, it's good. Funny name equals good name. Because I removed the C from both words. That's a joke. It's not that funny if you say it like this, but luckily I don't have to work with other people because they would fucking hate me. Zoek attack. First he goes for the suck attack. And then he either spits or he swallows. Basically, he goes back into the water and swallows, or he spits. Great enemy design. Let me see. Wait a second. That's so good. Oh, I'm fucking retarded. Why am I always this dumb? Why? I need to reprogram my fucking brain to think before I test anything. I need to think, did I do references? Did I do any fucking references? Like, any at all. Should, like, write it down somewhere. You just write on my fucking screen, like, check ref. That would, if I did that consistently, it would save me, I think, like, at least an hour a day. Because I fuck it up like 10 times a day. It takes like 10 minutes every time. Maybe not 10 minutes, but still. Maybe 5 minutes, but then 10 times 5 is about an hour, so. My problem. Get Legul. Oh, that was the Ghoul. Legul. Yeah, the bar for weapon slot is just straight up not assigned to anything. And now it is. Well. While we're here, I might as well change the particle system. For that, I will put on some new music because the Mario soundtrack is ended. Oh, it's just today. Raven 3. Nah, I already don't feel like this. Let's do some Little League. You know, the most insane people on this planet are those people that eat ice cream, like they chew on it. Just thinking about it makes me get this like shiver. Just beat this gem and let me find this bullet. We have the weapon. Oh, I need the bullet. Give me the bullet. Okay, the bullet's also here. Okay. So, particle system. First thought is, why are the oldest ones in front? I did that on purpose even. I guess because otherwise it would look like this. But this is kind of a shitty representation because in real life it will look like this. Wait, let me also test it with oldest in front because maybe that was where all the... I guess it's fine, it doesn't really matter that much. Okay, but what's the problem right now? Multiple things. First of all, rotation. It doesn't look very blobby if all the blobs have the exact same fucking rotation. You just see the copy paste. Some rotation. Already way better. Even though the rotation is exactly the same, way better. Let's make it random. Okay, even better. This might already be enough to fix it. Maybe some noise. That's a bit too much strength. Oh. Well, really frequency. Okay. I want some color variation as well. So start color, random color. It's a bit of a shame that I've now lost the green, but this green looks very similar, so let's get it. That's way brighter. Lines. I kinda want a bit of yellow. Yeah, a bit of a yellow. Okay, I still think it looks a bit too snappy. Like, you can see the particles pop in. Which I don't really like too much. I think to fix that, just add another particle system and make it simulation space local. So you kind of get this ball of fucking goo that just kind of makes a core for the particle. And now we get something like this. This is way better. Because now you don't see the particles pop in as much. Or really at all. I do want the core to be bigger and a bit slower. Let me name this properly so I can like remember which one is which. PS core blob. We have a PS the rail. Now slower animation. So I can just change the simulation speed, which is very nice. I want it too slow. I want the scale to be bigger and I can just use the scale for that. And now we get something like this. Okay, it does look like a ball somehow. Why does that look like a ball anymore? Maybe the noise is the problem. I think the noise was the problem. And now we get a cool ball. To just make sure that the trail particles are always behind. So you can still see them pop in. I think this will solve it. Nope, it did not. I just did not solve it. I guess I could also move one of them back. Oh, this is so confusing in 3D suddenly. Look at the value. I think this is back. I don't know if this is back. Oh wait. This is the front face. Yeah, this is the front face. Moving in the back would be moving it this way. Okay. Confusion. Okay, I fixed it. I think this is about it. Don't see much more to change. Except for like putting everything back in place. Wait, why is this suddenly in front now? Oh, I fucking changed the Z. Oops. Nope. Alright. Let's go. King. Oh, my breakfast just hit my stomach. Sometimes I wish I had a stronger stomach. So like if I chew like one time too few, my stomach will already be upset. It's crazy. I think it might be one of the reasons why I eat so slow. Like I've always been a very slow eater, but I think the reason is because if I don't chew thoroughly, my stomach won't like it. And I'm also just fucking slow, to be honest. Like, I could be chewing fast and achieve the same result, but I chew slow as hell as well, so. And I don't get how people chew fast. Like, I've looked at my family and how fast they chew, and I just can't do it. Well, I can't do it, but I don't see any reason to. I'd rather just... Because when I eat food and it's good food, I will... Like, I slow down and I enjoy the fucking food. I go like, mmm. Mmm. Just chewing very fast just seems like you are just... Your entire goal is to just get the food in your body as soon as possible. Which is not my goal. My goal is to enjoy the food as much as possible. Holy mother of... This looks so much better in fucking... I think I made the blob way too big, that's one thing. The blob... The blobby is too biggy. You have to realize, at least I've realized, that it moves pretty slow and it moves like this, in a straight line. Like, if I go like this, it's kind of a misrepresentation of how it moves. So I guess I want the lifetime to be higher for the thrill. Like, let's say twice as high. If it moves slowly, there will be a more significant thrill now. That's one thing. Core blob needs to be like smaller because it's kind of bullshit how big it was. Also, I didn't really like how static it felt. I feel like there need to be in the blob itself some random outlier. So basically noise. Oh no. Oh no, we got the hiccups, boys. I don't know what I just did. Okay, nothing apparently. I think I opened something which I'm not even using. I do like this effect of it's kind of this whirling mess. What I would describe it as. Not sure if I like this particle, to be honest. It's kind of weird in the edges. Maybe I should try some different particles as well. Let me do that. Like, try this one. I think this one is to just know. What's the difference between these two? The only difference. This one renders on a mesh. Or at least it shows the mesh it renders on. Oh, it looks like this one has transparency. And this one doesn't. So I should be using this one for performance reasons. Okay, time to click on some random shit. I like clicking on random shit because sometimes it just looks good suddenly. It's also just fun, like this just looks funky. It doesn't look like what I want, but it looks funky and I like it. This is kind of interesting. This also just looks funky as hell. I wonder if I just upload this on Shorts on TikTok. Just this. This is trippy as hell. I think I could easily just upload this on TikTok and get some views. Just me going through all these particles. Oh, this one looks good. I like this one. This one looks surprisingly trippy as well. Okay, wait, this one has some text. Oh, that's painful to my eyeballs. Please go away. Oh. This, by the way, this is kind of what psychedelics feel like. No, not feel like. That's not explainable how they feel, but what they can look like. Like, because quite often you'll see like, what's it called? Like, basically endless copies. And they're all animated and morphing and discolored. Kind of like how this is all animated and discolored and morphing. It was about all the materials. Maybe go back to the first material so we can kind of... This one is blinking as well. Also quite unique. Yeah, this one is just kind of shit looking. It's my entire problem. I'm enjoying this way too much. This one. I wish I could get rid of the outlines or something. Like, I just kinda hate that it does this. I think what you can do is kind of parent them. Need to parent them the other way around. Yeah, now I kind of lose the outlines, but I can do this, I guess. I figured it out. This. Imagine some people would get nauseous by seeing this. I'm kind of getting nauseous by seeing this. Oh shit, I'm editing the wrong shit now. This is why I don't get any work done. Spending so much. Oh, this one looks pretty good, but this is not really the style of my game, right? Wait, one thing that's cool about this material, look at this. I can. This is actually quite cool. I can go color over lifetime and then fade. Make a fade over lifetime. And it will just kind of slurp. Look at it slurping right now. Let me see how it looks if I do it the other way around. If I... Like, none of this is useful, by the way. I'm just fucking messing around. Okay, this might be usable. Like this. I really like it. Might need some more emission though, since now a lot of them are not visible a lot of the time. Yeah, like this. Ooh la la, look at that. Oh, I really like it. This is a very good blorp effect. I could look at this for ages. Check Twitch real quick. See if there's any activity. Yo, there's activity. Oh my god, there's somebody in Twitch, holy shit. This never happens. This is very good advice. Chatty. Because I really need a third screen for my chats. Because right now I use my second screen for a lot of extra stuff like music, but also whenever I animate stuff, I do it on my second screen. So I can like, it's just nice. But usually I sacrifice Twitch chat because nobody ever watches on Twitch, so so I'll have YouTube chat on the half of my second screen, and the other half of my second screen I will use for something productive. And otherwise I would use it for chat. But this is a good tip. I have no clue what chatty is though, but I will figure it out. What is it? Can I like... Chatty. What is it? Oh, it's a program on its own. I'll figure it out another time though. I'm guessing you left anyway. Seeing there's no response. Wait, why is this entire particle system offset now? Slightly confused. It's no noise. I don't know why there's no why. I'm not sure if the lack of outlines will be a problem though. It's the only thing I'm a bit afraid of with this look. Let me do something similar on this one though and see how it looks. It was called sorting mods. Blob needs to be bigger. I want the blob in general to be a little bit darker. So I guess I'll do that by making this yellow a little bit darker. Maybe it's green as well. I guess I just want the yellow to be more rare. Slightly, not too much. Paying for this. Quack. Quack. Color of a lifetime. Color of a lifetime. This looks cool. Thanks, man. I agree that it looks cool. Especially like this effect right now. Maybe that's what you are looking at. It's probably what you are seeing. These two effects are supposed to be combined in the end. I don't need colors. I guess you need a color. Slorp. Blorp. It looks less nice on this effect. Need more emission. The way you're supposed to look is I combine them. Then this thing moves, so it will look somewhat like this. Except I don't like this delay. I know why this delay is happening. It's because it's not visible at the start. It should be visible at the start. Blip, blop, blop. Wait, what? Play. Yeah, look at that. It's great. Maybe I make the core a little bit bigger, like something like that. I have no clue if it will look good in game. That's always another question. Will it look good in game? Let's reset this to the 0 position. Alright. Let's test it in game. Finally getting some Twitch interaction. Oh, it's the same person, oh lol. Somehow I thought you were another person. I was like, whoa, second person on Twitch? Must be my lucky day. Because Twitch is normally super dead, like ultra dead. Now YouTube is ultra dead. Because I stream to both YouTube and Twitch. Which is part of the reason why I didn't see your first message. Let me answer your question while I'm at it. How long am I working on this? I think it's about like a year and a half right now. Blip, blop. Oh, what the fuck? Oh. Okay, it's a bit it's a bit aggressive. It's a bit big and it's also not stopping. You should fire twice and then stop firing, so that's a problem. Multiple problems. Kind of forgot that I was in the process of fixing a bug and then I just started working on the particle system. So much errors. So many errors. Which is not allowed. I think recently they changed the TOS. I'm pretty sure. I don't know if you know, I think he's called Code Pirate or something. He basically is a popular developer streamer. He kinda tipped me off about it being possible. Need to fix the thingies. Multiple problems right now. Yeah, this shit was all way too big. That's the first problem. And I think both particle systems are too... They move too fast. So... Let's go nice and slow and see if that works better. Because the projectile he shoots moves quite slow, so... Don't want a very fast particle system. Oh, and it needs to be smaller, of course. Almost forget. Something. Maybe a little bit. Okay. But anyway. Yeah, YouTube is kind of way better for beginners, I think, if you want to start streaming. Because what I think is happening is that on YouTube, when YouTube makes like a page for someone to see, what they do is they put a bunch of videos that they think you will like. And then they will put like one stream. And because they always put that one stream, and there are not that many streamers on YouTube, the chance that that stream will be me is pretty big. Well, on Twitch, it's just competing with fucking everybody. Basically, on Twitch, I compete with everyone, and on YouTube, I compete with only other streamers. It feels like. So, yeah. If you can do both, like, why not? Like, that's just free. There's a problem somewhere around this part of the code. It should like activate the weapon right here. And it starts like this little timer, which waits for seconds. 2, so it waits 2 seconds. Very smart, I know. Then it deactivates the weapon. And then it should submerge as well. None of that is really happening. So, I'll have to do another test. And look at some stuff. Hopefully fix it. Look at my loading screen, by the way. I'm so happy with this loading screen. This sprite, I made this sprite for fun while I was just drawing. I was just like, haha, smoking seal. And then when I was looking for some symbol on the loading screen, I was like, just going through my random sprites, and I saw this and I was like, yes. Yes. I need it. And it worked out really well, I think. Blip, plop, plop. I need to look at the console. Oh, I know the problem. I'm not very smart. I'm not very smart. The problem is that the weapon is activated from the start. Okay, wait. Shouldn't be though. I think right now the weapon just spawns while already active, and that's why it's already just firing, and it because it's never tried to do the attack in the first place. Just how it how it spawns the weapon in the fucking start of the game. Let's see what this active does. Dum, dum. Boom, boom, boom. I think the only thing that active does on a weapon slot is whenever I spawn a new weapon in the weapon slot, it just sends the active state to the weapon, which is exactly what I need. So good to know. So basically we need to say inactive. Go. Now it should work. Anyway, I'm listening to some RuneScape trap remixes right now. And they are fucking amazing. One feature I really love about YouTube is that they just make music playlists. Like sometimes you randomly get this playlist from YouTube. Most of the time it's fucking good. It's just kind of takes all the music I listened to already and then puts it in the fucking playlist and adds similar stuff to it. And I don't even have to do anything for it. Amazing. Please work. I believe. Not working. Oh. I'm actually not sure how this is even possible. Clickety click. This is not active. I don't know how the fuck. Maybe starter weapon is an exception for this. It says spawn and fit weapon. Then it spawns and it fits the weapon. And fit weapon should do the check with the weapon active. So confused. Is the actual weapon active? Let's check that. Yes. Okay, so now we can kind of confirm that somehow this is not happening. I don't know why. Maybe init. Yeah, I think init just straight up activates it. No, it does not. The fuck? Something is interfering. I think. Let me get my chat back, yes. The fuck is interfering right now? So this is just every single time every single time I mention active for a weapon. My entire fucking code. Most of this is just on like a specific boss where I need to activate the weapons. So this will never affect this specific boss because it's on a specific different enemy. But things like this This definitely affects the activity of the weapon. And I think this is just for the attack, right? Yes. This is just to do the attack, so this should do it. Then we have some generic weapon stuff, which could be interesting. But all of it is if active. Was commented out to prevent null ref? There's some weird stuff happening here. Should probably check it out, because whenever there's weird stuff happening, it's most likely your problem. This is also some generic weapon stuff. This could be it. Okay, this is it. I think, most likely. So we double click this shit. Yeah, I think this is it. On enable, it will just try to activate the weapon that's on it. This is the annoying part. I don't know why. Let me just confirm by commenting this out that this. Okay, let's comment this out as well. That this is the actual thing that's activating my weapon. Bug fixing is always fun. I think in a bit I'll do some art. Because I have this, no, it's not a secret shop, but it's more of like a shady trader kind of guy. And you can randomly encounter him, and then you can get a curse, and in return you'll get some cool upgrades. Some like cool relic that gives a cool effect. And I still need to like draw the shop UI, and I need to draw the actual shop guy himself. I think he'll appear on in the game like a ship, so I need to also draw a special ship that looks more friendly or whatever the fuck. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff to draw. I think I'll have to draw a human, which I don't like drawing humans. It's very easy to make them look goofy. And not in a good way. Holy shit. Found the problem point. Nice. But this is the shop I'm talking about. Where you can get a curse. So you can click on something. You have no healing, and then +3 artifact. And if you get it, you get an artifact. So take homing. And of course I get 3 artifacts. So we get the strap. And get the micro muffin, because it's so wacky. Now I'm just quite a bit stronger, but I don't have any healing for the rest of the run. Oh damn, the effect is actually working and it looks quite cool. There's still some problems though. I was kind of playing the game a bit, so you can see what it's actually about. This is a boss fight, so I'm not supposed to be here yet. This is just for testing purposes. that I'm doing this right now. But if I were to kill one of these enemies, he would drop money. And if I get enough money, I can get more upgrades, basically. And then you just get stronger, enemies get stronger, and then yada yada yada. And I have a grappling hook. Anyway. Solve a few problems. One of them was the drill. Let's do that first. Because this effect, the bullets are this effect is supposed to shrink like this. This kind of shrinking. But in game it wasn't doing that somehow. Also, I'm now realizing that this effect is just off-center. It's happening to the left. It's not really supposed to happen. That's because the noise is probably kind of fucked up. I don't know why it's so fucked up. Guess this is fine. I guess this is fine. And I think the reason the bullets were not shrinking is because I think the bullet just disappeared at some point because it's supposed to, and then instantly it just disabled all the particle systems and they just disappear. So I need some stall time, which I already programmed before, which is nice. Stall time should be quite long because the effect is quite long, so I think it's 6 seconds. Okay, so that's that fixed. Well, I still want to do some other changes. Because I said before that I think it's a little bit too bright, and I still think that. And it would also be cool if I could still apply some texture on this entire thing. It's a little bit flat right now. But I'm not sure how I would even do that. Completely honest. Let me just try some shit. Nah, it's a lot of work. What was the other problem I had? I had the second issue. Forgot about it. Okay, I will do this. I will do this. Guess you can just do this in textures because it's kind of applicable. Need to make my own shader basically. Shader graph. Burp. And then sprite unlit. Particle, that's fine. Call it a mod blorb. This is one of the few cases where blorb is not that bad of a name. Right. I'm going to do the actual thing on my second screen because, well, I need to, otherwise it's just annoying. It's funny because the noise, I think it's 3D. Yeah, it's 3D, the noise. So sometimes you'll see the particles of the trail coming through. Which I guess is fine. If it happens, maybe not. Maybe not. It's an easy fix though. I can just go noise. 1D? How you fix it? No. I guess you would have to do separate axes. So X and Y 10. Z 0. This kind of just fucks up the effect, so I don't really care that it pops through, so let's just do this. I feel my heart fucking not normal. Normal. Normal to feel your heart sometimes. Oh, my brain is pooping right now. If I talk for too long, my brain just starts pooping and I start zoning out. Not even talking, it's talking and it's thinking about game development at the same time, which is super exhausting, to be honest. What was the material? I have not made a material yet. That's what's confusing me right now. I was thinking like I'm looking for a material, but what was it? I need to make the material. That's what I need to do. Call it mud blorb. This is not a mod. I don't know why I named this mod. I guess that's what confused me. I named this thing material, but this is not the material. What was it called? It's shader graph. Not a blorb. Let's start with this thing, I guess. Let's stop this. I can see this. Yes. Whoop. As you can see, my blorb is right now not doing that much. So it's not doing anything. Okay, wait. No one is watching, so I'll just do it off screen and you'll see the updates happening. I think that's also fine. And I can stop talking for a little bit as well. Kind of nice. Silence. Now I'm one of those streamers that I swear that I wouldn't become. Because a lot of development streamers, they end up being silent a lot of the time. And I swore to myself that I wouldn't be one of those. That just sits there developing and then says something like once every hour. Because I firmly believe that that is how you stay at the one viewer a day, basically. Not what I want. Okay, shit has changed. I think the fading effect has then started working because I added the option for a sprite, which I think enables Apparently enables fucking... Oh no, it was always working, never mind. Wait, I have not saved. I don't know what exactly changed. It's just weird. Colors are also... It's just all of it is different. Okay. So let me now add the sprite in. Wait, what? It's funny how I made this sprite water splash. What the fuck? I cannot find it now. I made this particle sprite once. And I'm using it for fucking everything. Wait, I have textures opened here already. Where is it though? I think it's just in textures, just general textures. Make it big. Yeah, this particle. It's just called particle. Okay, that's a stupid ass fucking name. I guess at the start I didn't know yet what it was going to be used for exactly. Okay, this is not doing anything. Why is this not doing anything? Oh, alpha is not implemented. That's right. That's right. I am making the shader right now, so I need to actually connect the alpha. Okay, I need to do some settings. Enable alpha clipping for one. I'm just realizing, isn't the material I'm trying to make just this? No, apparently not. It's weird now how transparent they start out at. Hey, this is better. Okay, I have better settings suddenly. Oh yes, this is exactly what I want. Nice, let's go. I'm trying to recreate this material, which is the... I don't know what it is. But this I cut out. Set on multiply. With some alpha cutoff as well. So let me make an alpha cutoff slider. Alpha cutoff. What the hell just happened? Why did it become fucking pixel? I don't know. I don't know what just happened to the fucking edge. I have no clue. The only thing I did was... Oh, I know what happened. Go back to Blorb. This should be on 0.5. Okay, let's try to fix the colors not showing up, because that's kind of important. Let's see if this works. I'm just going to add a color property and then multiply it with the image. And see if it then suddenly starts working. Nope. I need to Google this. Unity custom. No wait, shader graph. Get color from particle system. I think I know how it works. It's just that the setting I put it on just doesn't seem to want to do it. So add color to vertex block. Add color to the vertex block. What the hell is a vertex? Oh, there, I see. Oh, this is something new. I've never done this. Oh, I didn't know you could add things to the vertex block. Holy shit. This is opening up. I cannot add color. Maybe it's... What the hell? I cannot add color. What the fuck? Oops. It's telling me to do this. Oh, fucking Legaholics. What did I do? Oh, I think I crashed my browser. Fucking Chrome is crashed. I think I crashed my entire PC. Oh, it's doing things. The shit is not crashed. Shit, it's alive. This is what I'm looking at. Then add a node for the color interpolator that you then multiply with the final color you have now. The output of the end. Finally connect the result to the base color in the fragment block. I think he doesn't mean this. I was thinking this was an explanation, but this is more of a... I can't find it. You'll look on Monday. Oh, thanks. What's this guy doing? Oh, you just get a vertex color node. Okay. Okay, that's way easier. Vertex color. And he was also doing like a bunch of things, but I don't need to because it just fucking works now. Plop, 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 plop. I need to split the alpha though. Like all the weird things he was doing, I can just do on my own probably. Alpha together. Okay, we don't want to add the alpha, that's clear. Multiply then, maybe, I don't know. Shit, why did I remove the split? Flip, blop, blop, blop. I know this is a bit shit to watch. But well, it's game development, not everything can be exhilarating content. Okay, yes I did it, let's multiply. Basically just remade the shader that I already had. But now I can add stuff like add a secondary texture, which is what I want to do. Fuck, I keep misclicking. Sample. Really one of the areas where I can learn the most, I think, is in the shader area. There's a reason that there's like graphics experts. You can basically work only on fucking shaders and lighting and shit and make it your entire job. I just kind of what you call trial and error my way through it. Brute forcing this shit. I do know some stuff, like I sure do know more than anyone I know. Actual texture. Because right now I'm using one texture for the shape almost, pretty much. The other texture will be the actual texture that will be like displayed on top. I think you multiply this with this. I'm guessing. I'm brute forcing, like I already told you guys. Why is this active suddenly? Go away. It's not doing anything. I also have not assigned the sprite, so that's probably why it's not doing anything. Go blorb. Let's, for example, do the ocean texture. Okay, it's this one. Yeah, it's working. Kind of. And now suddenly it fits in the style. Yes. In fact, I think this is just perfection. Maybe. I don't know. Could also do outlines. But not sure about if I care. Let's just very quickly see if addition makes more sense than multiplication. I don't think it does. I think it will now be white. I was kind of right. It's not white, but it is lighter than it should be. This is an interesting color combination though. It's kind of very unique. I like this color combination. Feels very... It's hard to explain how it feels. Like beach. It feels like beach. The beach on a morning, on a sunny morning day. That's what this color scheme reminds me of. It's also kind of like in the past, right? Because it's faded. It's like a beach but filmed on an old ass camera. Anyway. Honestly, I should be using blending. Because by using blending, I can specify the blending mode very easily. And basically experiment. Right now, as you can see, before it was also making it darker. Which now is not happening because I'm blending it. I still darken it if I want to by changing this. Okay, this is fucking ugly. Like, I can now choose multiply as a blending mode and end up back at this if I want to. Which I think I will do because this is just good. Just looks good. Now I can also do, for example, subtract and make it look funky as hell. Expected it to look funkier. Looks very interesting. I mean, this could also be it, because I kind of like the random pure black. Because the creature that's spitting this is like a ghoul that has been drowned for like centuries, so it's kind of cool if it can have some dark energy to it. Negation is, I think, what I meant. Then you get this pretty bright. Always quite like messing around with blending modes. Sometimes you just get something very cool suddenly. Override just makes the color like completely like the texture. Divide is also, yeah, divide also always makes it pop very much. This looks toxic right now. Very much toxic. Yo, there's someone in my Twitch. Hello. How about to make a cool animated overlays for your upcoming streams? Sounds sick. What are you making? They made it overlays. I mean, it would be epic. I have to warn you in advance though. I'm not paying anything. I've had too many people just follow me thinking that I would then like be more likely to buy something, and then yesterday I had one. He followed me, then started asking me about the logo or whatever the fuck. And I said no and instantly unfollowed me. Like I was like, what the fuck are you doing? What are you doing? Go get a life, please. I'm not talking to you now, by the way. Yeah, I'll keep you in mind. Maybe in the future, if I do want to pay and you don't want to do it for free, then I will contact you. That's also dumb, right? About the person that followed me and then instantly unfollowed me when I said no. Is that person could have just said, like, keep me in mind for the future. And I might have done it, right? But no. They just fucking lost me. People sometimes. Okay, back to doing the thingies. I don't want it looking like this, just so you know. Definitely want to go with a darker vibe, I think. I'm thinking it would be... Oh, fucking voice. It would be nice if the blend mode would be put as a property, so can I edit it so that I can edit it per material instance. I think you need a keyword for that or something? It's an enum. I would imagine it's an enum at least. Can I right click on something and say convert to property? Ah, I cannot. There's an option, but it's grayed out. It's a bit annoying that you cannot... I guess you could have an integer and then... Well, there's no input for mode anyway, so that's probably the problem. Alright. I kind of forgot what my blend setting was that I liked the most. And also another thing I should be experimenting more with probably is different textures. So we could get a cloud texture, which make it look more grainy, mostly. Brushed metal 3. I don't know why. Oh, this is for text. Oh, this is fucking terrifying. Look at it. Brains. Yeah, I'm just clicking random shit. I should be a bit more particular. So we have this. And put it on a blend mode that I liked. Subtract was quite good. What was the texture I just used? Oh, it was one of the clouds. Yes, cloud. Oh, I can already see that this will look funky as hell. Not really. It's too much black. For this case, I would probably just change the blend mode. Kinda like this. It gives it a bit like a 3D look almost, where it's... And the graininess fits well in my style. Feels a bit more blabby. This also is less likely to blend into the background. Because the previous texture, it was basically the background texture. Which might blend into the background if I don't watch out. Crabs. Crabs. And give me the blorb. Something else. It's not doing anything. This should look very weird. Does look very weird. Do you want to see something really funky? I'm going to do something really funky just because I feel like it. Noise. Oh, that's not what I want. And tiling. And then I want a Vornoi. Like, this is the type of shit that I'm going to show. Is the type of shit that you discover when you do all your shader things with trial and error. Eventually you will discover some really funky effects. Which is, I guess, the biggest benefit of doing this by trial and error is that I'll just randomly discover a cool way to do something. I'm not sure if I'm doing this right. Not really. It does look very weird. This could work maybe. This is more of a glitch effect. I would need like a boss that fits the theme of glitch, which this doesn't. I think the problem right now is that I'm zoomed in way too much on the noise. Yes. This is more what I was going for. And we animate it. Oh shit, I'm not animating the offset, I'm animating the tiling. It's my issue. Oh. Oh. Make it like nice and slow. I mean, I've definitely succeeded in making it funky looking, I think. I would argue. What if I flip these around now? Gradient. Oh, not a gradient. This is all completely useless, by the way. I'm purely doing this for my own enjoyment and maybe yours as well. Depends. I'm having a little bit of issues. I'm trying to create an effect that I had in the past. It's not working out. Wait, this is not even being used. This is definitely not it. But this is kind of close. I think this is enough messing around. I should just do the things that I need to be doing. Is not doing this. It's figuring out which texture I really want. I really want. Earth map. Okay, wait, this is interesting because this is literally a map of the Earth. I mean, doesn't look half that bad. I'm starting to recognize Africa right now. That's like the weird thing with creating effects like this. Sometimes you just... Sometimes it doesn't make sense. I lost my material. I guess technically this also counts as art. In fact, it counts as technical art, so... Technically, it's technical art. Which is one thing... If I had to choose one thing out of game development, I might just go with technical art. Because you get the programming and you get a bit of the art. Otherwise, probably like something like mechanics programmer or something. Anyway, give me my material. Yes. Egg, 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 egg. I have so much egg. Oh, oh. I think this is the final material, yes. Product finished. We're done here. Let's pack it up. Let's upload the game. In fact, let's just launch the game now. Let's get this out of my fucking face. Money. the reason because I kind of already found what I want. But the reason why I keep trying a lot of things is because I want to just learn, like, how do things look. So if I see something else that's also cool, I can make a mental note. In the future, I will be like, hey, I remember that cool thing, and it will fit nicely right here. Let's try to make that again. If it looks super cool, I should probably actually like save it. Floor cement. This is also unexpectedly good looking. It doesn't exactly fit into the style. Fruit jelly. Fruit jelly is kind of cool. Wish I could disable this grid real quick. Yes, I did. Nice. Should have done this like 2 hours ago. I mean, this does look very wet. So honestly, I stick with this. Fruit jelly is the winner, I think. And this is why I keep trying as well. Not just to find cooler shit for the future, also to find cooler shit for the now. Fruit jelly it is. I can't get fruit jelly. Okay, stop being a retard. I can make the boss's face the texture. Random gradients. This is the Grim Reaper. The Grim Reaper has a bit of the same wetness look, almost. I have to look at this for like 2 seconds. Slash 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 slash. Like a rombaki sla. Yeah, this is, I have to admit, this is like true lazy developer mode. Like an actual professional, well, I'm a professional, but like a big studio would probably like, okay, we need a texture for this particle system. Artist, go make a texture. It needs to look like this, go make it. And I'm just like, let's try this hook and cheese. Let's see if that looks good. Quite often it works out in the end, so lazy developer wins, in my opinion. Because, well, I can release a game in a year or 2 on my own. I think. Okay, wait, this one I want to see as well. It's something, alright, it's something. But Nightmare Fuel. I could use this one, the level select background. Okay, I'm fine, don't worry. Ooh. I have some of these textures just because I think in my previous game I had these as in like possible background for levels. I really like the look of this, but needs this as color scheme. And now also needs a different blend mode, because of course it needs a different blend mode. Always needs a different blend mode if I change the colors, it's a bit annoying. The overlay would probably be the one here. I guess because it already has so many colors, it will never really look right. Well, divide would be the real one. Okay, no. This one kind of works. Anyway, this is not what I want to be making right now. Getting distracted again. Oh, I'm stupid as well. Changing the wrong color. Look, there we go. There we go. Okay, I will actually save this effect right now, I think. Because this looks very fucking cool. Try some different blend modes again, like divide. Divide kind of fucks up the pattern. Overlay. Overlay kind of works, but it applies. Also kind of fucks up the pattern, to be honest. Subtract is another one I could try. Oh, this one looks good. I guess the goal, the pattern needs to stay intact mostly. Screen would probably also look decent. Yeah, this looks kind of similar to negation. Let me see the actual difference. I think negation is better. It keeps the pattern more alive. Screen creates this like white tint on everything. I wish I could change the blend mode for different materials. Because if I want to save this effect now, I would basically have to copy the entire shader graph instead of just the material. That's just fucking annoying. But I will do it because this is cool. Like I still have this idea where I want a random portal to show up and bring you to another dimension for a short while. Could be the LSD dimension. But let me try this real quick. Blorp, where's Blorp? Lost my Blorp again. Blorp. Oh, this is LSD. Yeah, and I have another trippy effect. These colors in general with this blending mode is very trippy. Oh, space is also a good one. Outer space. Like this already kind of looks like a portal, right? Kinda then need to go this. Prefab. Unpack. To unpack it some more. I think, yes. Shit, the way it just comes in as well. I think I'm going to make a special folder and just call it sexy particles or something. Where's the folder? What the hell did I just do? Don't know what I just did. Be a folder now. Called something like new folder. It's still here. Sexy particles. Because it's an S, it's very down. Folder, let's call it the Rippy Blob. So what I'll do is I add the particle system. I'll also, I know why I keep losing my fucking things. This is because this was not locked. Very annoying. After this effect, by the way, I will take a little break. Yeah, look at this person that just joined. Isn't this a cool effect? Kind of made it on accident just now. Well, kind of on accident. It's kind of intended. It's not at all needed for my game right now. I'm just trying random shit to see if it looks good. I'm now trying to save it for possible futures. I need the shader graph blorb. Copy that. Add it to this folder. Call it shader graph Rippy. Alright. And let's make a material. Not Rippy space. Let's assign this material. See if it still works. It doesn't still work. Fuck. I know why. I need to kind of reassign my textures now. Space. Also use this texture if I wanted to. Also looks kind of cool. This is purely for my own enjoyment. Space. This is what I want. Alright. You've recreated the effect. So now for the actual thing I'm working on, I can just make it whatever I wanted it to be. Which I need the material. It's called blorb. Blorb. Put it in the folder. Honestly, put the shader graph in there as well. I have an outline shader. Could I combine both? Is that a possibility even? I don't fucking know. Anyway, Mud Blurb now gets the... What was it called? Fuck. Jelly? Something with jelly. Fruit jelly. So we get something that looks like this. We reset the colors to what we wanted. And I need to slightly change the shader graph. Does subtract. Just try some blending modes real quick. Multiply could also be it. Yeah, multiply was it. Right. Oops. Is this suddenly always in front? Nice. Okay, it's finally time to fucking test it because I was getting distracted by every fucking single thing. This is why I would do technical art. I just love getting distracted and messing around with stuff that doesn't even matter. But I then do end up making some cool stuff, so... Starting to think it's not the best. If I keep getting distracted every 10 seconds. Oh my banana. You know, it's quite nice that I made this material just now. Can I also use this material to reintroduce texture to the sauce? I can show you what the problem is with the sauce right now. Um, pick sauce. The sauce does kind of have texture already. But I can have more control over it now, and it's mostly it. I'm going to fucking die. Okay, maybe I should enable gold mode for like a little bit. Yeah, let me limit the ghoul attacks like right now to only blorb. To nothing and sook attack and mosquito attack. Need to fuck off. Did I close Unity? No, okay. Really annoying. Loading times. Ooh la la. What? And now we just chill with the smoking seal. Remember, kids, don't do drugs unless you are a seal. And then you should probably light up a big blunt. It just makes sense. Yeah. Random weapon, random gadgets. I should have maybe enabled God mode. I guess now that he only does the barf attack, it doesn't really matter. Still looks a bit, I don't know. For one, it disappears suddenly, which is a problem. For two, it blends a bit too much into the background. And for three, I think the core of the blob is invisible at the start. That's one thing. Straight up invisible at the start. And it is too slow animated. We still got a bunch to fix. Not sure how we'll fix the blending into the background problem. I think just make it darker. Bullet. There's still, yeah. You can see when I started, there's nothing, and then it appears. Which is because I did something stupid. Plop. It looks kind of weird now at the start, but I can fix it by making it a pre-warm. Ta-da. Something. I don't know. To do something. Oh yeah, the speed of the animation. Try this. The colors. I think the way I fix the colors is by making it darker. Or like more gray, maybe. Well, that's a bit too much. If I already add some gray, I think it will help. I'm kind of missing the green now. Problem is this color is exactly the color of my background. It's like exactly. Maybe you go more orangey almost. And maybe very rarely we put green in. Not that rare, but... Let me save this. So I can also apply to the trail. Okay, the next issue was that all the particles just stopped working as soon as the main attack ended, basically. Which shouldn't even happen, I think. I don't know why that was happening. Oh, I know why it's happening. Because this is a special script which does special things, and special things are fucking retarded. I think, maybe. Okay, it's not doing... Okay, I am retarded. It's just not the case. That's annoying, because that would be an easy fix. So basically already have this code where if there's a bullet, this is a bullet. If there's a bullet, it needs to disappear at a certain point. Like if it hits something or if the duration is ended, it needs to disappear. But if I just make the bullet disappear, the particles also disappear. And it looks goofy as hell. So what you want to do is you want to disappear everything except for your particles. And then wait for like 5 seconds and then wait for the particles to disappear. Then you can finally disable the entire bullet. Which I'm already doing. It's just not working in this case. And I'm confused. Yeah. I think I have to check in-game what's happening, because I cannot just figure it out by looking at my code. Yeah. Yeah. Well, let's just chill for a bit. I will be taking a break soon as well. Because I've been streaming and game developing at the same time for like almost 3 hours now. Starting to go insane. Starting to hook my Coca-Cola bottle. It's true though, if I stream for too long, I will actually go insane and start becoming like fucking mentally regressed. Is the right term, I think. Kind of difficult sometimes, because to do a proper stream, you need to kind of stream for like at least 3 hours. Because, well, at the start, just nobody knows. People need time to know about your stream. But after about 3 hours, you're also fucking exhausted, so it's a bit annoying. But I think what I'll do is I will just take my break on stream. Holy moly. It does look way better now. Like, I can see it. Alright, I need to check what's happening. The only reason I'm here right now. Right. I think there's a bit too many particles. It's a bit too crowded. Looking for this one. Rec. Bullet. Bullet. Rec. First try, let's go. Okay. Oh, I am not very smart. Why am I like this? Oh, the issue was so easy. I saw it instantly. Saw it fucking instantly. So I have these two categories on all my things. One is linger after death, and one is no linger after death. Guess what the problem is? Fucking hell. What the fucking problem is? Okay, so we don't fucking linger. Oh, I'm so smart. I don't like how the sprites are now just popping in at the edges. Let me try to do something with the size over time. So kind of in the way of my second screen. What I want to do is go blob. Already happening live, holy shit. Ping pong that shit. Something like this. This is a bit too aggressive of a bob, if you ask me. So I think we just increase the lifetime. It's pretty good. We animate it a bit faster. Even faster? It is fine. Yeah. I thought it was a little bit too big, just tiny bit. It's hard to judge skill when you disable the fucking grid, but I'll see it in game. Fuck, I keep misclicking. Blip blop blop. Okay. Hopefully final test, and then I'll I don't know, play some game. Don't know what game yet. Probably Noita. I played Noita yesterday as well, and then it just fucking crashed. So I never really properly ended my run. But yeah, most time when I take a break, I just play a game. That's not what I want. I don't want to see my million errors. My parents already tell me about all my errors. And now I am the biggest one. Don't need Unity to do the same. Okay. Don't know how it's gotten bigger. We have a new issue now. Fucking hell. How is it gotten bigger? I don't, what? This is art. Okay. Fucking art. I know how to fix the issue really easily, so that's good. Basically need to add to this particle system script. Because fun fact, most of these fucking problems I've had them before, so I have solutions for all of these issues. Just forget to use them. Paired on disable, don't think that's necessary. And then in the looping particle systems, I will get this. That'll just make sure it gets disabled. So it stops emitting new particles, but it will still allow the old ones to disappear. Now what? Oh yeah, the skill issue. Skill issue. Yeah, I see the problem. The previous parent had a skill of 2. This is suddenly a skill of 1. Which somehow means that this gets twice as big. Like, don't ask me why. You just divide everything by 2. It should be fine. I'm ready to be released for my duties. Reporting for duty. No, everything fell. This is a boss fight, by the way, if you didn't realize that yet. It's not like this is supposed to be the first enemy you encounter or something. What? So now it's just weird because somehow it increased size like more than 2, apparently. Or I just forgot to edit one of them. It's also possible. I'm not very smart, okay? I'm not very smart. Like, it will still be too big. Maybe not. Hallelujah. You know, I did my tax returns for the first time ever yesterday. It was fucking hell. I was so confused with every single question. Like, suddenly they're asking you if you've ever had a medical extraordinary medical expenditure something something. Like this random term that you're apparently supposed to know. I think in the end I just entered no everywhere. Because my logic was, well, I don't make any money. So I should probably just enter no on every single fucking thing. Well, I did read everything, but if I didn't understand something, I was just like, Probably no. Also, one of the questions was like, are you an entrepreneur for tax purposes? How the fuck do I know? What? I thought every entrepreneur should be paying taxes. Like, why is this a specific question? Like, what? What is an entrepreneur that doesn't need to pay? I was so confused. But I think I ended up saying no, and I think that was right because I don't make money anyway. I think it was one of the requirements to be an entrepreneur for tax purposes is to make money. So this is an easy no. For now. Anyway, it's looking quite decent now. I just wish the bullet wouldn't just stop moving. Like the blob kinda needs to keep moving and then dissipate slowly. Instead of just stopping suddenly. And I know why it stops suddenly, because a lot of times that's what you do want to happen. In this case it's not. Felt I would be done with this like an hour ago, but I keep getting these small fucking issues. Something. One issue as well is it kept spawning the green goo, even though it should already be dying. But this is an easy fix. I can just go if dying equals false. Respawn the goo. Velocity. I think somewhere here the velocity gets just set to 0. I should just look at the dying method. It's this one. Yeah, it's exactly this, I think. Sets the velocity to 0 if there's no rigid body left. Oh, if there is a rigid body. I think the only real thing I can do is just add a boolean, which says it. Keep velocity. Because I think in most cases I want to not keep my velocity. And per default this will be false. So that's just kind of a nice way to do it. And all my default things will just keep working, and then I just need to tick this box for this specific object. Let's add it to this list of booleans. Public bool keep velocity. This is a very shitty name. Keep, I cannot type. Keep velocity after while dying. Fuck. I thought I copy pasted it. Come on. Wait, I'm stupid. Needs to be exactly the opposite. Kill velocity. Paste. Let's do on death. On death is a bit more clear. Kill velocity on death. No wait, I'm dumb again. I need to stop being dumb. This is fine. Just need to check if it's false. Yes. Right. One boolean took me way too much time. One single boolean. Somewhere at the bottom I should find it. Keep velocity. Blop. Okay, and now we pray. Doing anything even loading, trying. Oh, brain need to go sleepy mode. My brain actually dying right now. But luckily, I think I'm done. Okay, wait, I should not say that. I should not be saying this. Also get lunch soon, so it's a good timing anyway. Please. I think it was working. I did not see it stopping, so it must be working, right? Still a little bit too big. It needs to be like 20% smaller. Yeah, it's working. It would be nice if the blob dissipated a bit faster after it stops spawning the goo. But it's fine. It happens off screen most of the time anyway, so. What did I say I wanted to do? Oh, make it 20% smaller, and then I'm done. Then I'm not even going to test it, and I'm just going to fucking shut down Unity and shut down my fucking brain. Bullet. Should do a before and after, but I think the before is just not on this planet anymore. I just deleted it. Because if you want the before and after, you need to watch it back. Maybe on I'll make a short out of this entire process. Then I'll do a before and after. 20% smaller times 0.8. Copy it. Oh, we enter it. Alright. We can also look at it in here, right? So looks a bit scuffed, but I kind of see the scale difference between the trail and the blob. Makes me think we can go even lower with the scale. So I'm just going to do the same thing just once more. Because I'm fucking lazy. Yeah, this is good. I cannot stop. My brain cannot stop thinking about things to improve about this. Like, I'm thinking maybe some kind of way to make it more clear, like what's in the background and what's not. So I would get something like this is very easy to do also, so I'll just fucking do it. You see, it starts out dark. Then in the center it will be completely visible. And in the end it will be dark again. That's a little bit extra. Try this real quick. This is also kind of different. Don't know if I like it more. I think I like it more. Like something kind of in between, maybe. I think this is better. It blends a bit more into each other right now. But that will be Unity for now. Not for today, but for now. Yeah, I'm listening to the RuneScape main theme right now. Fucking sick. RuneScape was my fucking youth? Childhood. It was my childhood. When I could still have fun just fucking clicking on something and waiting. And clicking and waiting. I guess I'm doing the same now. Clicking on things and then waiting and then clicking on the same thing again and waiting. Maybe it's that life hasn't really changed that much. Anyway, just making a backup real quick before I completely close Unity. Let's see, I worked on the ghoul. Oh, I also did some stats in the shop. Did a bunch of stuff. Cool. Shop now has correct stats bars for each item type. Vastly improved ghoul blob attack. And I made a cool material. Yeah, I'm going to get something to drink and maybe something to eat, and then I'll play some Noita after that. So yes, I'll be back soon. about? Oh no, the chaos is happening again. Why the hell is Twitch like this? Shit like this never happens on YouTube. It's also not even doing anything, it's the weirdest. It's like some religious fucking, not even religious, some fucking mentally ill person just decided to make a bot network to fucking spam fucking his crazy fucking thoughts. Amazing. Like, my entire experience with Twitch has been like people trying to get me to buy their fucking logos or fucking. They're not just people trying to sell me stuff. Or people spamming fucking incantations in my chat. This is my entire Twitch experience. You know, on YouTube I have like actual people that like just are nice and they have suggestions and they are cool people. So weird how Twitch is so different. Something nooit aan. Now it feels nice to be able to just fucking not have to worry about something that I forgot to fucking implement or just anything. Oh. Okay. YOLO. I have a nut mix right now. A bunch of nuts. Oh, hello. I think half of the world will delete it somehow. I don't remember what my weapons do. There's some kind of homing. I think this one is pretty OP. I'm gonna teleport and some black holes. Yo! This guy just dropped a bunch of fucking shrooms. Fucking eat that shit. This is a good way to start the fucking run. Tripping balls. Exactly what I want. Oh shit. Ooh, I almost got electrocuted. I don't know if you noticed that. Acid, oh boy. Anyway, the robot exploded. The electricity went through this fucking metal hull. And almost fucking killed me. But I jumped just in time. And I just realized that I'm electricity immune, so... oh, it wouldn't have mattered. But I'm a gold gamer anyway, so... oh my lord. Fine. Oh, mamma mia. I think this game is just a Mamma Mia simulator. Like every 10 minutes I'll just say Mamma Mia. I almost get killed by a random fucking whatever the fuck. Oh. Like, do you see what I mean? I explicitly kept myself from saying Mamma Mia for some reason. I don't know why. I guess I'm a bit of a rebel. I don't know why I have 2 wands with black holes. It seems rather stupid. Oh, that's an enemy. Let me eat my... Wait, these guys, they drop shrooms and they explode. I can straight up farm drugs. I can just straight up farm drugs from this guy. Except that it will all burn. Oh, I'm on fire, I'm on fire. Oh no, I need that. So, I think what happened is I changed the... Oh shit, the fucking kill squad is coming. I'm in danger. So I changed a few materials already, which is a thing in this game. I think I changed freezing gas into mushrooms, to the weird fungus, and I changed water into vomit, which is great. I'm a little bit confused, because I feel like there should be like a way back to the shop. Oh, this is where the entrance used to be, I think. I think the entire shop got deleted. Oh, hello. I think everything above this line would normally be the shop, but because my game crashed, it deleted the entire shop. It's not ideal. I guess we just go to the next shop. I think I can just farm mushrooms infinitely. Normally those mushrooms are quite rare. In fact, you cannot even get them normally on this floor, but it's now just raining. It's raining mushrooms right now. Look at this. Let me eat all of it. Oh boy. He has a weapon. He has a weapon. Yes. It's an average Friday night. I feel like the game is going to crash any moment. This crashed 2 times already during this run. I have little hope I can finish it. Steam. Just change Steam into something or something into Steam. Which is interesting because Steam is one of those things that you can make. Like if I heat up water, it'll just make steam. But water doesn't exist anymore. Wait, if water doesn't exist anymore, then what does sphere of water do? Create barf, yes. Always. I think this guy's making acid. Oh, he's not. What the hell? What is this? Trying to read it. Diminution. I'm unhappy. I don't know why he's dropping this. I've never seen this liquid before. Anyway, I just kind of casually shop right now. This Soulblade orbit is really strong. But I will kill myself with it, so maybe not. You want to kill this guy first. I want to know what the perks are. Sure, die please. Wait, maybe you can make my one stronger and kill him faster. I don't think I can. No, I don't think I can make it much stronger at the moment. So little damage. Is there anything I can do? I could get this electric arc, but that will 100% kill me. Like, I'm 200% sure it will kill me. Huh? It's one of the most dangerous things in the game. Basically creates lines on the screen between your projectiles. And if you touch that line, you will just fucking die. Just insta kill. Ah, fuck this. I can show it with some safer projectiles. Maybe this one and this one. Get the double cast. Yeah, this should be safe. This should be safe. Basically, if you touch that line, you die. I could have died actually by doing this, now that I realize. Because I was homing on my wand. It could have just gone backwards into me and I could have died. Need to kill this guy. He's annoying. Ah, it's so annoying. I keep doing like barely any damage and then he just fucking blocks off the thing with this fucking dust. Do I have any potions that can help me? Nope. I could just go for the full melee. Let me try this. This is a bit dangerous. Wait, I need to get the best. This is the best. Easy kill. Look at it, I made a fucking lamp out of him. He's a lampshade now. This is your new life, sir. You will be my lampshade. Let's clean this bullshit up. No, this is a better way. It doesn't home in on the fucking thing. Alright. Now we can see the fucking perks. So what I really want out of the perks is explosion immunity. Because this electric arc, it does explosion damage and electricity damage. Now I'm already immune to electricity, so if I just get the explosion immunity, this cannot kill me. Like I just use it wildly. I think I will just reroll. Fuck. I might have to take glass cannon because it's glass cannon. No. I do have to take this one. Just give me a 50% chance that the perks won't disappear if I take it. So let's hope. I got fucked. Okay. That's a bit sad. Let me see what I can build. Let's buy this as well. The water is not useful. Considering this one, it summons a wand. That will help you. But I rarely get this, so I'm not even sure what it's going to do. Like, it sounds dangerous. Summon a random wand to help you. Okay, what if it fires fucking acid? So we'll get that. And now we go up or down. Go up or down. I think we go down. Let's leave this one and let's, since the black holes are, oh fuck my life. One of the most dangerous enemies in the game. This casually comes up. Oh, and they have my weapon right now. Usually my wand's pretty strong with the homing and all that. Teleport. I kinda just want to do this. Okay, I can do the same with this guy maybe. Yes. Use my lightsaber. Where did I put the spell? Oh no, I threw it away. Oh, it's there. Okay, are there any more enemies coming? Don't feel like getting fucked in the ass while I'm trying to build a cool wand. We have a mushroom ball. Oh, this guy can heal me. That's actually quite nice. More mushrooms. Die. Oh no. Let's explode everything I see down there. fuck, it's not working. I think we're fine now. Let's just go into the... Make something cool. Don't really have a good wand though to build on. So maybe we first go looking for a better wand and then we go back. What is a guy? He's just chilling. The boy is just chilling. Yeah, let's just go look for something better. The weird thing about the wand I'm using right now is that it does exponentially more damage the further away I am when I fire it. Oh, oops. No! My friends! Kill him. I need this box. We kick the box. Box fall on top enemy, enemy go die. Oh, I missed. This enemy is one of the scariest in the game as well, because when he hits you he does like 40 damage. And his aim is like insane. Oh. Oh, oh. Chill out, chill out. Chill out! I'm a bit weak to be honest. I can kill shit, but oh no, that's not great. Oh, that's even more not great. Okay, this TP. TP. Ah! Okay. This is why we keep the TP. Oh, that's nice. This is what we want. Look at them all fucking die. Exactly what I needed. Ow, ow, oh, a bit more damage than I expected. Let's eat some more shrooms. It's time, I think. Time. Yeah, the annoying thing right now is there's barf combined with shrooms. But if I eat any barf, I will barf. Which resets your shroom percentage. Hey. Oh, hello. Didn't see you there. But my goal's a wand. I shouldn't be too busy doing shit that's dangerous if it's not giving me a wand. There's some enemies here. That's the best thing about homing. I can just shoot it and then it tells me where the enemies are. Wall X basically. I'm just going to back off. Everything exploding. This level is one of the biggest called bottlenecks for new players, I think. Because everything here explodes and every explosion basically one-shots you. Oh, he's spawning more. No. And that's also a problem. Like, that and this fucking guy spawning more fucking turrets. I'm just skedaddling. This TP is OP. Another medic. Another enemy. Let's try something. No. Oh. Okay, that almost killed my medic. The homing keeps trying to kill my medic. I don't like it. Go away, go away, go away. Die, yes. Close. Whoa, did you see that trick shot I just did? Oh no. They're killing each other. Fuck. They're allied to me, but they're apparently not allied to each other. And my homing also doesn't like them, which is not great. I feel like I was about to say something and then shit went down. Now I don't know anymore. Whatever. Ooh, health upgrade. Oh, hello, goodbye. Minions, do the job. No, don't retreat. Wait. Him. Bring. Pussies. Yes. It's a big turret, I think. Oh, my homing doesn't fucking. I keep forgetting. Okay, let's just. The missile gave no fucks. Missile straight up like, nah. Coming for you anyway. What the fuck? What in the fuck? I think it's so slow because I'm so weak. Was a little bit sad. Queen it. He just needs to come to me and then I'll blow up his fucking ass. Okay, wait, this guy. The homing keeps going to them. I just want them to die, to be honest. They're not helpful at all. Wait, what the fuck is leaking out of the sky right now? It's leaking out of the sky. It's leaking out. Oh, hello, enemy. Not fucking paying attention. I think they're on. Oh, he's. Extinguish, yes. Come on, kill, yes. And I win. Kind of. Flamethrower, well. Looks like you will be the explode thrower. Fucking homing can home in on the right target for fucking once. I think he can't even hit me if I just. Okay, he can. There's this little ball, this little egg, makes me fire immune. So I thought he shoots fire, right? So I would be immune, but apparently the projectiles have some basic neutral damage as well. I hate my weapon right now. I cannot fucking get it to home in on the right enemy ever. I just want a wand. Just give me one wand. And I'll be happy. I will fucking leave this place. Die. Thanks. There's something metal. Just realized I did not enable the sound for you. Or did I? Wait, I did, I think. Yeah, I did. Okay, nice. Pretty good. Oh no. Let me try to kill these fuckers with ice. Come to me, baby. Come to me. Yes. Oh, 85. Should be close to death now. Yeah, he has 5 HP. Very nice. Pheromones, oh that's good. Want that propane barrel to fucking explode. Oh, it's something hit it. I'll just leave for now. What the fuck was that? Cody guy. Don't care. Chest. Do care. How do I get the chest without getting donked? Don't, okay. One! It's a shit! Shitty fucking one. So I have a 1 now with this shit. So, fuck my life. Thank you for not killing me. This thing should have exploded by now, it has not. What the fuck? But you can now explode with this though. Well, not if fucking shield comes back online. Scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm a bit annoyed with the lack of wand. Like I've reached a point where I just do this. You don't realize, I think, how fucking close it was to being fucking alive. Okay. Let's never do that again. Fuck off. Oh, they're fucking chasing me. Oh, they're fucking... Not just chasing me, they're fucking... And it crashed. What? 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 I was doing so well, and now I will just fucking restore the save. It will spawn me next to all of those fucking enemies somehow. And I will have 15 HP. I'll fucking die. Fuck. I don't feel like doing it now. It'll be funnier if I do it next time. Because I will just start playing be like, yeah, it's very good. I'm very good at the game, and then I'll spawn and instantly die. I need to recover from that intensity just now. I'm curious what this long-lived chaos shit actually is. Like, why is it? What is it? Who's behind it? I cannot find anything. I'm surprised. Let me copy this entire text, put it into Google. Somebody quoted this to ask what the fuck is happening. Kick. This is probably what they, maybe what they want, I don't know. Only one result that has every single word in it, apparently. It seems to be a kick related thing somehow. I'm confused why this is not findable on Google. Maybe it's a new thing. Maybe it's just like a me thing. Maybe I'm just getting spammed somehow and nobody else. I'm a banana. I'm a banana. Maybe we all are banana. Maybe free candles, not free at all. Maybe it's we pay in terms of our candles. Okay. I'm just going to do nothing for a few more minutes because of my brain. My brain. Just get some lunch, to be honest. Little bit of lunch. Let me get little bit of lunch. Now end the stream, because eating on stream is just does not make any sense. In my opinion. Unless you're fucking James Charles.